Waalaikumsalam.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Mutmainna. You can call me Mutia. And you?
I'm Laila Natasha and you can call me Acha. Where do you come from?
I come from West Pasaman. And you?
I come from Singapore City. Do you know it?
Yes, I know. And where do you live now?
I live in my grandparents' home near from Padang, West Sumatra. And you?
And I live in Rusunawa Bung Hatta University. Do you know it?
Yes, I know. How about your job right now?
Now I'm a student Bung Hatta University. And you?
Me too. I'm a student at Bukata University. How about when you free time?
In my free time, I like traveling, cooking, and reading. And you?
In my free time, I like to painting and listening to music. Okay, thank you for your attention.
You are welcome.
Nice to meet you.